Okay, hello everyone. So already we know about in earlier classes we discussed about atomic mass and molecular mass. So molecular mass find out challenge we must know about atomic masses. Okay, hydrogen atomic mass how much. So all these are experimental values. We need to remember. Okay, we need to remember that what is the oxygen atomic mass, what is the nitrogen atomic mass. So different elements, so minimum up to 30, so up to 30 elements you must remember their atomic weights. Okay, so now I am giving that atomic masses. See, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay, in terms of grams తీసుకోవచ్చు, యూనిట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, no problem in it. Helium 4, lithium 7, beryllium 9, boron 10, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, sulfur that is 32. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఒక పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉంటుంది. మ్యాక్సిమం ప్లేసెస్లో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ వెరీ ఫ్యూ ప్లేసెస్లో డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, బట్ 99% ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్. ఓకే, సో రైట్ డౌన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ atomic mass of some more elements now. అలా క్లాస్ చేస్తున్నాను చిన్నగా. Okay, see the atomic mass of some more elements. Let's continue this table. I'm writing the atomic mass of some more elements now. So, next after sulfur, chlorine. Okay, this is chlorine, Cl. Okay, this is 35.5. Okay, next argon. Argon is 40. So next here important one, potassium. Okay, this is 39. Here decreasing order takes place. So maximum places low, in maximum places it is just increasing order. That very few places we said that decreasing order. So it is okay example decreasing order diagram. Next after potassium, next calcium. It is again 40. So both are having same. So next After calcium is scandium. Scandium. So this is approximately 48. So 40 is 45. So titanium. 48. Next vanadium V. 51. ఇక్కడ 3 గ్యాప్ ఉంది. So next chromium. Yeah, okay. Chromium is how much? 52. Okay. Next manganese. Manganese. Mn. Manganese 55. Next iron, that is Fe. Okay, it is 56. So next okay, cobalt. ఇక్కడ CO. So KC capital లో ఉండాలి, O small letters లో ఉండాలి. Nickel. Okay. It is 58.5. Here also decreasing order. Okay. So copper Cu 63.5. Zinc Zn. What is that? 65.3. Okay. So these are the up to 30 elements. If you write the atomic numbers continuously, it comes to zinc 30, and some other important elements are also there. We see now other examples. Okay, so these are the atomic masses of different elements. Now we see how to calculate the molecular mass. With the help of atomic masses only we are able to calculate the molecular mass. Now write the calculation of molecular masses. Okay. Calculation of relative molecular mass of different compounds. First I will give the compound, then we will calculate it. First HCl, next NaOH. Already we know the names of these compounds. Okay, already we given the list of the compounds, acids, bases, and some compounds are also there. H2SO4, acetic acid. Already you know the names of all these compounds we discussed in earlier classes. So hydrogen atomic mass how much? 1. What is the chlorine? 35.5. So you will get 36.5. Just we need to add the atomic masses. At the atomic molecular mass find out challenge, you must know the atomic masses. Okay. So sodium how much? That is 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1, you will get 40. So hydrogens, ఇక్కడ 2 hydrogens ఉన్నాయి. So one hydrogen carries 1 only. ఇట్లా 2 hydrogens ఉన్నాయి. Sulfur 32, 4 oxygens. Each oxygen carries how much? 16. Okay, that is 2 plus 32, 16, 4 is how much? 64. That is equal to 98. So what about acetic acid? So ఇక్కడ total first carbon 12, 3 hydrogens, 3 into 1, plus again carbon 12, 2 oxygens, కాబట్టి 2 into 60, 1 hydrogen. Total how much? That is 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 32 plus 1. How much you will get? Okay, 12 is 15, 16, Okay, 28 that is equal to 60. Okay, just remembering of atomic mass, this addition is important, that's it. Next we see some other compounds. Sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, next nitric acid, phosphoric acid. Okay, now we calculate what is the sodiums. 2 sodium, each sodium carries 23, carbon 12. For oxygen how much? 3 oxygens, each oxygen 16, that is total 46. How much? It's a very important topic. Okay, total you get how much? 46. Well, it becomes 106. Okay. Next CaCO3. Calcium is how much? 40 plus carbon 12. 3 oxygens 16. Okay, how much you will get? 40 plus 12 plus 48. This exactly 100. So మనం మ్యాక్సిమం కొన్నిటికి డైరెక్ట్గా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. దట్స్ ఇట్ మేక్స్ లెస్ టైం. Okay, HNO3. Okay, HNO3 nitrogen. What is the value of hydrogen? So 1, nitrogen 14. How much? Total value will get how much? 14, 15. It's 63. H3PO4. 3 hydrogens. Okay. 3 hydrogens and 3 into 1. Phosphorus how much? 31. 4 into oxygen 16. So there is 3, 31, 64. 5 plus 8. Okay. 98. So actually here also 98 means some different compounds are also possible. Different compounds are also having same molecular mass. There may be chance. Next we calculate for some more elements. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Aluminium nitrate. Silicon dioxide. SiO. This is silicon dioxide. So what is the common name of this? Okay, you need to know the common names also. Okay, next carbon dioxide. Okay, now do it. What is the sodium? Sodium how much? 23. Hydrogen 1. Carbon 12. 3 oxygens. Simple direct children. 3 oxygens. And each oxygen how much? 16. Okay. So 23, 1 plus 12 plus that is 48. Total you will get how much? It's 48, 12, 50, 60. 60, 70, 80, 84. Okay. 84. Next aluminium nitrate. So aluminium 27. So nitrogens 3 are there. Taken 3. Okay. 3 into nitrogen how much? 14. Plus how many oxygens are there? 9 oxygens. Here we get 27 plus okay 40, 14, 3 how much? So 144. Total you will get how much? 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6, 7, 13. Okay. Next one. 4, 5, 5, 4, 9, 10, 11. That is 200. SA. Silicon how much? Silicon 28. So oxygen 2 into 16. That's carbon dioxide. So what is the carbon? Carbon 12, 2 oxygens 16. That is 12 plus 32, 44. Okay, so these are some values. Next we see some more compounds. Very important, that is ammonia. Next H3PO completed. H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Next H2SO4 completed, H2SO3. You need to practice it many times just to remember the atomic weights of all elements. Okay. Next, we know that cesium. We know the name of this compound. That is potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. And H3 normal 14, 3 hydrogens 1. That is 17. H3PO4, 3 hydrogen, phosphorus 31. 16, 3 plus 31. Total how much? 8, 9, okay. 12, 5, 8, okay. 82. So H2SO3, first sulfurous acid, 2 hydrogens. Write neatly, okay, with using boxes. Here we will get how much? So 48, 50, 50. Again we are getting 82. How it is possible? Not 82. Okay, maybe 8, 9, 12, 5, 82. Okay, here 48, 8, 10, 12, 82. Okay, just wait. Okay, so here also observe both are having similar values. Next, a very important one, potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Potassium how much? 39. Manganese 55. Oxygens each carry 16. That is 39, 55, 64. So how much you will get finally? 9, 4, 13, okay, 8, 7, 158. If you feel easy to write these molecular masses, just write that questions, means write that compounds and do the answer in your own. Then compare this class. Okay. Potassium permanganate and we know ferrous sulfate. What is the name of FeSO4? Ferrous sulfate. Next, what about Fe2SO4 taken 3? It is ferric sulfate. Next, titanium dioxide, TiO2. Next, first we do this ferrous one. Potassium hydroxide. Just on practicing, you will get perfect in atomic weights of individual elements. So iron how much? 56. Sulfur 32. Oxygen 16. Okay, 56, 32, 64. How much you will get? Just add it. Okay, 6, 8, 4, 12. Okay, 7, 3, 10. So 152. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 6 is 12. 7, 3. Next, 2 irons. 2 into 56. How many sulfur? 3 sulfur. That is 3 into 32. Each sulfur carries 32. Oxygen, how many are there? 12 oxygens are there. 12 oxygen. 12 into 16 again. Means 56 into 2 means 112 plus 3 to the 6. 3 96. Plus again how much? How much? 12 into 16. It is 192. Again total addition you will get how much? 2, 6. That is 10, 10, 19, 20. I was looking 300 is the correct one. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9, 1, 10, 19, 20. It's 2, 1. 3 plus 4, I think. I think it is 400. Okay. Next, titanium. So what is the value of titanium? What is the atomic weight of titanium? You must remember all these values. 48. Oxygens 2 into 16. How much you will get? Okay. I think it's 70. Oh, I think 80. Okay. Potassium hydroxide is 39. Oxygen how much? 16. Hydrogen 1. Total how much? Okay, 56. Next line, calcium oxide, CaO. Next, magnesium oxide. Next, silicon dioxide, I think completed. Silicon, I think already completed. Next, KMnO4 completed. So, HCl, magnesium sulfate. It's the chlorine, it is also possible. Okay. Next, is a 24. So it is a K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate. You know the name of this? Potassium dichromate. Okay. Next, potassium permanganate computed ammonia. Zinc chloride. ZnCl2. Zinc chloride. So what is the calcium? Calcium is 40. Oxygen 16. That is 56. See here also we got 56. Okay. What is 39, 40, 56, 40 plus 16, 46. 56. Sorry. So MgO. Mg means how much? Magnesium 12. Oxygen 16. Magnesium 24. Okay. How much? 20. It's become 40. What is Cl2? 1 Cl 35.5. So 35.5 plus 35.5. That is how much? 71. What is the K2Cr2O7? Okay, 2 potassiums. 2 into 39. 2 chromiums. What is 1 chromium? 52. And 7 into 16. So let's do it. Okay, 30 and 40. Okay, 80. And there is 78. 16, 7. What is the final value we'll get? Let's do it. Okay, 8, 4, 12, 14. Okay, 2, 9, 1, 1, 2. It will get 294. Okay, like ZnCl2. What is the Zn atomic weight? 65.3. Cl2 means how much you will get? Okay, 0.3. So sometimes this 0.3 can be neglected in some calculation, but we are taking as a 0.3. Okay, 70 is 6, 5, 1. This is 0.3, 5, 1, 6, 7, 136.3. Now we do some more elements, some more compounds. See, silver nitrate. Actually, this is generally silver. So, 30 elements of silver cover agadu. So, but the silver is a very important element for calculations. As well as some other also there very important. That is HBr. Bromine also not covered in that 30 elements. It's important one. Okay, next Hi. Iodine also important one. So means about 30 also some are important elements are there. Next chromium peroxide. This is called chromium peroxide. Do them. So silver. What is the silver mean? Just remember 108. You know what is 108 number? 108. Nitrogen 14. This is 3 into 16. 108 plus 14 plus 48. How much you will get? 8, 4. 8 is 16, 4. 1T. That is 6. Okay, 160. HB hydrogen Br 80. Just remember Br 80. So hydrogen 1, iodine 127. We need to remember 128. So chromium 52. So each 5 oxygens, each oxygen carries 16. So 52. How much? So one more, some importance are there. CuO, cupric oxide, cupric oxide, cupric oxide. Okay, Cu2 is called cuprous oxide. There is some other elements are there. Copper, magnesium, sulfur, phosphorus. Okay. Nickel sulfate. Okay. Next potassium. Compounds maximum completed. So next lead chloride. Okay. Now we do these examples. So copper how much? 63.5. So oxygen 16. Okay, how much? Okay, Cu2. So 2 into 63.5 plus 16. How much? Again 63, 64, 127. Okay. How much? 140, please 27, make it 30. Next, what is the atomic mass of nickel? You must remember the atomic mass of that all elements. It's a compulsory. Okay, up to 30 at least you need to by heart. Okay. No, 16. So it is. Just do the calculation. Okay, how much you will get? So 0.5 is already 0.5. So 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, 14, 7, 10. Okay, 5. 154.5. Okay. It comes like this or something less value 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, 14. Okay. 6, 7, 3, 10, 15. Okay, 154. So what is the lead? Here new element lead. Lead is very highest 207. 2 into 35.5. 207 plus that is 71. Finally you will get how much? Okay, 278. K2MnO for potassium manganate. You have to calculate it. Okay. Manganese sulfate. Calcium phosphate. If you have any doubt, and ask me in the comments. Okay, so we'll do these examples also. Okay, tomorrow I will conduct the exam on this molecular weights and atomic weights.